Hello, you all. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. This is Vicky, and today is a no makeup day. I'm not gonna beat my face, it's too hot, but I wanted to share with you guys a technique that I saw on YouTube. I don't know if you guys remember when I did a review on a unit called Model Jestic. And this is the first one that I bought, and I liked it so much that I purchased another one because I could not get the curls back in this original one like they originally came. And I tried all different types of heating utensils, flat irons, curlers, different size curlers, and I even tried doing a roller set with these size rollers and clippies, and nothing worked. And then I saw recently a technique on YouTube where you wet the hair and you use these curlers to roll it, and then you put it in a pot of hot water on the stove, and you let it sit for about 10 minutes, and you remove the unit from the water and let it dry overnight, and the curls are supposed to come back like they're supposed to be. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to roll it off while I'm off camera, and then I'll come back and continue the process and let you guys see. Okay, so here's the unit with the curlers in it all rolled up. Wait, I see one is coming loose. Okay, so again, here's the unit with the rollers in it, and I'm getting ready to go and put it in the hot water on the stove. And I really didn't have enough rollers, so I had to kind of put a lot of hair on each roller. A couple of them came loose, and I had to redo them. So hopefully they won't come loose in this water. Okay, so there's the pot. Y'all remember these big old pots that your mom and grandma used to fix greens in and beans in? This is what this is. This is an old pot. I don't know how old it is, but I got it from my mom's house. And I'm going to use see, one of them is already coming loose. Oh well. I'm using this prong to make sure all the hair is submerged into the water. We're going to let that sit for 10 minutes. And I'll remove it, and I'm going to let it sit overnight, and I'll let you guys see the results on tomorrow. Bye. For right now, anyway. Hello, y'all. Happy Sunday. I'm going to do this real quick because I just got home from church. I need to eat and take a nap. I'm so sleepy. I'm going to finish up showing you guys if this worked with me doing the hot water method to recurl this unit. So I'm going to take the curlers out and try it on, and we'll see. I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. It brought life back into this unit. Now I can still tell this is the old one versus the new one, because I told y'all I had to rebuy it because I liked it so much. But I think this hot water method, it really works. I'm pleased. It really does bring life and body back and curl back into your unit, because I could not get this curl pattern back to save my life. Even though it says that it's safe up to 400 degrees to curl it, but I couldn't get the curls back at all. I'm going to try on the new one, and you all can do a comparison. Now, this is the new one. I haven't even worn it yet. I only wore it for the review that I did, but I'm honestly thinking that the old one looks better than the new one. I mean, really, it has just a little bit more curl. I thought the curl might be too much in that other one, but I think I like it like that. I like it like that. Do, 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 do. I like it like that. Do, 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 do. I like it like that. Do, 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 do. I like it like that. So y'all let me know down in the comments, which one do y'all like? The old or the new? This is the new, and that other one was the old one that I did with the hot water roller set. And that's good to know if you have an old wig that you need to kind of put some life back into it. It's kind of seen better days. You can actually extend the life of your unit just by rolling it up with some barrel curls. And depending on the length of the hair is what size you'll need. And put it in a pot of hot water for about 10 minutes and let it dry overnight. Even though this has been, well, that other one has been sitting since Friday. I didn't feel like doing it yesterday, so I just thought I'd wait till today when I had makeup on. So anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching this one, and I hope this little tip helps somebody. And be sure to subscribe and like and share this video with others. You know, we want to pass the knowledge around and not keep it to ourselves. Bye.